If Earth suddenly stopped spinning like someone hit the cosmic brakes, things would get wildly apocalyptic in seconds. First off, everything not nailed down, and even some things that are, would go flying eastward at over 1,600 kilometers per hour. That's faster than a bullet train. Trees, buildings, oceans, even you. It'd be like Earth yeeting everything into space. Not ideal. Why? Because Earth's rotation is what keeps everything moving smoothly. If it stopped instantly, the atmosphere wouldn't get the memo. Winds would roar, tsunamis would crash, and continents would be reshaped. Basically, it'd be like Mother Nature rage quitting. Now let's say Earth gradually stopped spinning. Less drama, more science. Days would stretch into months. One side of the planet would bake under constant sunlight, while the other would freeze in eternal night. Think Sahara meets Siberia, but on steroids. Agriculture, toast, ecosystems, scrambled, humans. We'd need to migrate constantly or build mega cities on the twilight edge between day and night. The magnetic field would weaken too, since it's powered by Earth's spinning molten core. Without it, cosmic radiation would bombard us like popcorn in a microwave. Sunscreen won't cut it. Satellites and GPS systems would go haywire. And forget about your morning weather app. It'd be chaos up there. Gravity wouldn't vanish, but it'd redistribute. The equator would lose its bulge, causing oceans to migrate toward the poles. Say goodbye to tropical beaches and hello to underwater Canada. On the bright side, literally, sunsets would be a thing of the past. You'd either live in perpetual golden hour or eternal gloom. Great for vampires, not so much for the rest of us. In short, Earth stopping its spin would be a planetary plot twist we're not ready for. But hey, it's a great reminder of how much we rely on the quiet, steady rhythm of our world.